Hello, 11th grade. Welcome to this video. This should show you just a preview of how to write mathematical notation in a Word document using Equation Editor. So what we're first going to do is within a document, go to Insert. And when you click on that Insert tab, look at the far right above Symbol, you'll see Equation. When you click on that, it'll give you a blank screen. Let me make this bigger for you. And say we wanted to type something like y equals 5 times 3 to the x power. Well, what we'd need is 5. And then we need a multiplication. You could use parentheses. You could use brackets. Like these right here. Or we could also use a dot, which is in these symbols. So I'm going to scroll down. It's up. I went past it. I know it's in here. Just gotta find it. Just a dot for multiplication. There it is. I skipped over it. 5 times, and I said 3 to the x power. Well, that x power needs to be some kind of script, a superscript. So here's the superscript, and so this becomes 3 to the x power. Now, say we wanted to solve that and wanted to write it using a log. Well, we know an exponent is a log. So we're going to start with x equals, first let's get our equation out, x equals, and then notice that there are all kinds of structures here. There's subscripts, there's fractions, other things that you might use are the sine and the cosine and the tangent are right here, and then also logs, limits and logs. So notice this one is log with a base that you can empty. It's an empty base. This log right here is with no base. In other words, it means base 10. Then here's limits and others. So let's use this first one. And our base is 3. And maybe we wanted to know how many times do we multiply 3 by itself to get, say, 20. And we would plug that into our calculator, and that's how we would write it. So I encourage you to play around with this equation editor. Here's another thing that is helpful. Let's say y equals 3 divided by 4 to the x power. Well, that doesn't look right. We need this 3/4 to be a fraction. So what I'm going to do is find fraction and get rid of that 4, and then nicely below it, there's 3/4. Thanks for watching the video.